Our dataset is generated using videos mined from different sources. We extend a state-of-the-art face reenactment technique to handle moving backgrounds. We post-process results to maintain a high level of photorealism. Our fakes are generated in a self-reenactment manner, where the identity and expressions of the examined person are resynthesized. We use a monocular face tracker to extract a low-dimensional parametrization of the face. A synthetic rendering of the face is produced and the eye gaze is overlaid. This output is fed into a deep neural renderer, which produces a highly photorealistic output. Finally, the rendered face is combined with the background. Our dataset, VideoForensicsHQ, is of high rendering quality. It contains faces at high resolutions as well as audio and covers a variety of speaking styles. A user study shows that our fakes are rated real at least 65% of the time. This compares favorably with fakes from state-of-the-art datasets, which are rated real only 14% of the time. A baseline error of 15% further emphasizes on the complexity of correctly detecting fake videos in our dataset and others. For more details, please refer to the manuscript and supplemental document. Thanks for watching.